Hello friends, it's Rami Thomas, research analyst at TechPout. Welcome to the video series where we're gonna talk about how you can fix the Instagram music feature not working issue on your smartphone. Posting stories on Instagram using its unique features are always fun. It surely keeps your social identity at its peak always. Essentially, to post a story on Instagram, you go to your profile. And then just click the plus icon given at the top right corner. Now you'll see various creating options. Simply click on story. Once you do so, it will lead you to your Instagram camera. You scroll up and find the picture you wish to share as your story. To give that image a tinge of music, you click on the sticker option from the top bar and find the music option to add your favorite music to your story. But when you decide to do so, you find it hard to locate the music option. Don't worry, we have got you covered. To fix this issue, go back to your profile page and click the three horizontal lines at the top corner of the page. Now, click on Settings followed by a click on the account. From the account's settings, scroll up to the Switch Account Type option and switch your account type to Personal Account. Now that you have switched your account type, try going back to your story and selecting the picture you want to post. Click on the stickers options again and find the music option. There you go. Choose your favorite songs from this vast set of library and you are good to go. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.